Hey, what's up, Theta Network holder? So this is very short video for Theta Network. Hope you just watch this 2-minute video. I hope you cannot lose any time in any crypto market. So Theta Network, my friend, is completely fails down. So what we do on this critical situation? This is absolutely very bad time and very terrible time for Theta Network holder. And everybody want to be safe from loss. This time exactly, my friend, and the last previous also they fails down, and the current time you can see here they also change occur as a negative. So let's get started without any time waste the Theta Network price prediction. But before I get started, I request you to please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thanks for like this video, thanks for subscribe this channel, my friend. Thank you so much. First bell icon for videos notification. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, my friends, come to the point. This time, if you can see here, I already opened the last 1 hour chart, my friend. This time you can see here the current change as moving up. You can see the current change occur as minus 0.74% fail is down this time, and the last 10 minutes, my friends, this especially fails down. Otherwise, if you can see here, this time they gone up and straight, not fails down and not jump, my friend, up. So let's see, my friend, the last 7 days charts to what's going on in the last 7 days. Then absolutely, my friends, we predict today going up in upcoming days or they fails down. This time, if you can see here, my friend, I draw a line one. You can see here they touch the highest point. Okay. And the second line, if you can see here, my friend, they touch the lowest point, my friend. They fails point touch it. So you can see here after a jump, my friend, they fails down, and after this fails, they take again jump. So you can see here they moving, and this my friend, this style they moving up. So after this, my friend, we decide, my friend. If you can see here, absolutely everybody understand today fails down after this jump. Every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation. You can see here after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. So this time also the failing time, but this time definitely, my friend, you already see the last 1 hour chart is a negative. So they starting very badly dumping, my friend. I hope and just upcoming days they also take a very high jump. This time this is just short done, my friend. I hope good time is coming soon. So please hold it, don't sell it, and we're just 2 or 3 days more. I hope they give you very good profit. So my prediction to upcoming days, they starting moving up again, but this time you can see here they take a short dump, and then after that, my friends, they take a very high jump, very long jump, and then you sell it. I hope they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching, Theta Network holder. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.